Now it's time to make the outer pinch area where the soft top is just gonna lock in. Same in this course, just follow my lead and I will just talk when I need to. Let's only take those vertices that I had just selected. Um, let's get rid of those verts. Let's push inside and make a gradual curve. Take that entire line, just extrude it around the y-axis. Just after recover the normals, then just extrude it on the z-axis. Now we just have to fix this part a little bit. Double G and push them up. as EY over to the Y axis, GZ. As you can see over on the reference picture that there is a hook-like shape in there. So we have to make that. As you can see over on the reference picture, that part is skewed inside with the angle. So try to make the same thing over on the car, or you can just follow my lead. After GZ and this push down over on that blueprint line, or we only have to push down the lower part. There we go. Let's extrude over on the Y axis on outside. Just GZ and drop it. Or we just push down up to the base. And there. Since we're not making the interior, we don't have to think much about what happens inside the car. We just go on with our lives. So don't care about the exterior part. Let's get one more and extrude it over there. Now we got time to shade smooth this, please. Isolation. Turn on sub D. age, but we still have a lot of fixing to be done. We won't be able to see the inside. We won't have to do much for this part. We just have to have a rough sketch, I mean a rough border, so that we won't face any problem for the hood. If we don't make this part, we're gonna face a lot of trouble while making the hood. Since it's in 3D and we have to pack every object in their desired place like a piece of Lego. So yeah, you don't have to make it as detailed like this. Even I'm not doing going for details. You can just have a rough outline. You can just leave it completely on a sub D, like a non sub D, and on a non shade smooth. It looks so polished, but we have some parts which are peeking out of the frame. We have to make that. We have to hide those parts inside. Just push them down over on the z-axis. That's gonna take care of that, and some minor little vertices like these. Let's just get rid of those. Let's just get rid of those. We don't need them.